What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're down here in the garage working on the truck 17 project. I think I've got everything unhooked from the cab so we can lift it off, and I have a solution to the rigging problem that I had. So this is what I came up with. I know what you're thinking. That looks dangerous and stupid, and it's probably not going to work. Well, that may be true, but this is about the best that I can come up with as far as being economical and not spending a bunch of money on steel. This is an 8" by 8" by 8 foot long elm beam that I got from a sawmill not too far from where I live. I've got it clamped down to the forks with two pieces of 2" by 2" by 1/4 inch thick square tubing and some 5/8 all thread. And really my biggest concern is that bent fork right there. I don't think that fork's going to be doing much of anything. Obviously the other fork that's still straight is going to flex down, so this one might pick up some of the slack, but we're just going to have to take it slow and see how it goes, and hopefully we don't end up with a catastrophic failure here. now that's done, and it went a lot easier than I was expecting it to go, need to figure out what else to do. Okay, well, next item on the agenda, I want to get the steering gear pulled off of here so I can get it sent out to the rebuilder. And I'd like to go through and just get some of these oddball brackets and stuff off, so I can start getting another pile of parts prepared to go to the sandblaster. Might even try ripping that starter off of here. We'll see how this afternoon goes. But, well, first thing we gotta do is get our lines unhooked from our steering box. I can tell you right now, this is really nice. All this room for activities, nothing getting in your way. This is the only thing that'd make this any easier is not having the engine. And you're gonna leak oil everywhere. So that's the return line. Got the pressure line yet. Get our bolts broke loose. Woo, almost lost it. Now I gotta use the ratchet because I left my 3/4 inch impact at work. Just trying to keep my fingers out of the road. Oh boy. Oh wow. A lot of iron in that one. I need to not lose that. That's very important. My oil filter wrench will cooperate. Oh jeez. That is not necessary. Crap, I'm moving the whole frame. Wow. That's ridiculous. I learned with these older Macks, you do gotta pay attention to your threads on the bottom side of your filter housing. This nipple that your filter threads up onto is actually removable, and sometimes they can back out on you whenever you take a filter off. If it didn't have this rubber handle on it, it would fit. Okay, so it just wants to break or bend the filter wrench. Awesome. And let's see here, get my foot up here. Filters do not have to go on that tight. Well, I just bent the crap out of my filter wrench on that one. Jeez, oh man, that's not necessary. Well, now what? Right there. There we go. Oh, knocked it in too far. Okay, well at least it's broke loose. What did I do with that crappy filter wrench? Can't do that with a newer truck. They got those filters tucked up in there so far you can barely see them. There we go. Wow. Alright guys, well I think that about does it for this video. Definitely got plenty of stuff to send to rebuild shops, and I've got a small pile of parts for the sandblaster. Probably going to try to get some more accumulated for that. I've got a list a mile long of parts that I need to order, so I need to set some time aside to do that. Get some stuff on the way for the new rear ends and just odds and ends, seals and what have you. Just wanted to take this opportunity to let you guys know that spring is quickly approaching along with summer, and the Mack videos are probably going to slow down a little bit because, as you probably know, in the summertime I do farm, and that's kind of the center of attention whenever we have good weather. I still want to try to keep a steady pace throughout the summer working on this truck, but the Mack videos are probably going to be a little bit more sparse. So just letting you guys know, if you're here just for this truck, just don't want anybody getting surprised or disappointed that you won't be seeing as much of it during the summer. There's still going to be videos on it, but good news for the people that like the farming content. And we're really wanting to get the D7 out this spring and do some work with it, so we got that to look forward to. And there's some pretty exciting things in the works as far as the farm is concerned, but we'll save that for a later date whenever the planets align a little bit better. So that's it for now, and we'll catch you on the next video.